हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लुनियाल क्लासेस। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इकोनॉमिक्स के चैप्टर 2 सेक्टर्स ऑफ द इंडियन इकोनॉमी के एमसीक्यू करेंगे। इस वीडियो में आपको टोटल 25 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे। एवरी क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शंस हैं। 4 ऑप्शन में 1 ऑप्शन राइट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो। क्वेश्चन 1, all economic activities that directly involves conversion of natural resources are classified under option A secondary sector, B primary sector, C tertiary sector, D government sector. Right option is primary sector. Second question, the secondary sector is known as dash as this sector produces useful items from natural products. Option A making, B construction, C building, D manufacturing. Right option is manufacturing. Question 3, information and technology is a part of option A tertiary sector, B primary sector, C secondary sector, D all of these. Right option is primary sector. Question 4, MG Narega guarantees job to poor for option A 60 days, B 90 days, C 100 days, D 50 days. Right option is 100 days. Question 5, animal husbandry is a part of option A primary sector, B secondary sector, C tertiary sector, D none of these. Right option is primary sector. Question 6, the goods that are used as raw materials for further production are known by which name? Option A final goods, B consumer goods, C material goods, D intermediate goods. Right option is intermediate goods. Question 7, underemployment is also called option A organized sector, B disguised unemployment, C tertiary sector, D contractual unemployment. Right option is disguised unemployment. Question 8, places of work which follow rules and regulation are termed as option A organized sector, B unorganized sector, C tertiary sector, D secondary sector. Right option is organized sector. Question 9, the sector in which the productive units are owned, maintained and managed by government. Option A organized sector, B industrial sector, C primary sector, D public sector. Right option is public sector. Question 10, which among the following activities is not related to primary sector? Option A fishing, B natural gas extraction, C making of sugar, D mining. Right option is making of sugar. Question 11, which among the following workers are not very productive in tertiary sector? Option A educated and trained professional, B repair person and daily wages earners, C people in defense services, D people working in health centers and hospitals. Right option is B repair persons and daily wages earners. Question 12, which among the following is the features of unorganized sectors? Option A fixed number of working hours, B. Registered with the government. C. Paid holidays. D. Employment is insecure. Right option is employment is insecure. Question 13. Public health is a responsibility of option A. Primary sector. B. Government. C. Private sector. D. None of these. Right option is government. Question 14. The sectors are classified into public and private sector on the basis of option A. Employment condition. B. The nature of economic activities. C. Number of workers employed. D. Ownership of enterprises. Right option is ownership of enterprises. Question 15. Choose the correct meaning of organized sector. Option A. It covers those enterprises where the term of employment are regular. B. It is outside the control of government. C. Jobs are not regular. D. It provides low salary. Right option is it covers those enterprises where the terms of employment are regular. Question 16. The value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year is called as option A. National product. B. Net domestic product. C. Gross domestic product. D. Production of tertiary sector. Right option is gross domestic product. Question 17. Employment figures of a country are based on data collected from 5-yearly survey on employment and unemployment. Which organization conduct this survey? Option A. NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. B. NREGA 2005. C. International Labour Organization. D. Census of India. Right option is NSSO. Question 18. Which sector has emerging as the largest producing sector in India? Option A. Secondary sector. B. Tertiary sector. C. Primary sector. D. Communication sector. Right answer is tertiary sector. Question 19. Where will you find the disguised unemployment most? Option A. In big private companies. B. Among part-time industrial workers. C. In most of the government offices. D. Among agriculture worker working for small farm lands. Right option is among agricultural workers working for small farm lands. Question 20. Underemployment occurs when people, option A, do not want to work. B. Are not paid for their work. C. Are working less than they are capable of. D. Are not skilled. Right option is are working less than they are capable of. Question 21. Which of the following types of activities are covered in the secondary sector? Option A. Natural products are changed through manufacturing. B. It includes agriculture, forestry and dairy. C. It generates services rather than goods. D. Goods are produced by exploiting natural resources. Right option is A. Natural products are changed through manufacturing. Question 22. What is the full form of NREGA? Option A. National Rozgar Employment Guarantee Act. B. National Rural Education Guarantee Act. C. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. D. National Rural Employment Government Act. Right option is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Question 23. Which of the following statement is not true? Option A. Calculating GDP is a massive task. B. GDP of India is calculated by the state government of the largest Indian state. C. GDP shows the level of development of an economy. C. GDP is the value of all final goods and services that are produced in a country during one financial year. Right option is B. GDP of India is calculated by the state government of the largest Indian state. Question 24. Which sector emerged as the largest producing sector in India in the year of 2003? Option A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. All of these. Right option is C. Tertiary. Question 25. What is the main economic activity of the people in India? Option A. Agriculture. B. Industries. C. Service. D. None of the above. Right option is A. Agriculture. Thank you. Thank you so much.